Hey there, it's John McLauchlan. Welcome to another video. So if you've been watching my videos and getting some good information, then thank you for all the comments that have been coming in. And if you're going to get some value from this, then please consider subscribing as well. So what I want to discuss in this video is the typical journey of an online business owner or somebody who wants to become an online business owner. And there are a lot of people right now who are starting a brand new business. Maybe you've started a new business recently, and we get excited. When we first get involved in a business, we get excited about the possibilities of what we can do. We have that initial momentum, we have that optimism bias of things are going to be great, and then we start to hit the challenges along the way. Okay, what do I need to do to be an online business owner? What do I need to learn? And then I need to learn all that? Really? You know, and this is one of the biggest takeaways I can give you about your journey from where you are right now to where you want to be. And this talk or this video is about all the bits in between, or some of the bits in between. I've been doing this for about 15 years. I'm an online business. I've been an online business for 15 years. I'm a Forex trader. I've been doing that for about 5 years. And let me tell you that we, as experienced marketers, really understand the challenges that everyone goes through. And if you're not going through challenges, then you're not building yourself. Okay, what you're doing in terms of building an online business is you're challenging your norms. Okay, the normal thing for you could be that you work a 9 to 5 for 40 years and then you retire and then that's it. Okay, so if you start to challenge those norms, if you start to challenge your values and your beliefs that's been instilled in you, then there's going to be a conflict. Okay, and sometimes there's a conflict with, you know, what we want to achieve and where we are and how do we get there. Okay, everybody goes through these challenges, and you know, people that look at personal development with an optimism bias, that preach the wonders of personal development, I would probably say aren't really in the trenches. They're on the periphery of their comfort zone. And the people that really dive in, and as you know, I've been doing a 90-day challenge for my team, and a lot of those people have dived right in, and they are outside of their comfort zone. And some people are on the periphery of in and out of the comfort zone. But when you're outside your comfort zone, this is when the personal development training and all the information, the Jim Rohns and all these people of the world, that's when their teaching really makes a huge difference, because you resonate with things on a different level. So if you're going through challenges with your online business, it's all part of the process. If you're thinking, maybe I should quit, maybe I'm not good enough, why would I want to start a business? What makes me think I can do it? Because I'm just a, whatever you are, whatever profession I'm just a doctor, I'm just a builder. What makes me think I should do any better? It's all part of the process. Even successful people, if you really talk to successful people on a different level, then they will tell you all about their insecurities. And let me tell you, we as human beings, we are all flawed in some way or another. And when we challenge our beliefs and our values, those flaws come to the surface and we have to deal with them. And it's not just a case of saying, get rid of what's holding you back and you'll be able to move forward in your business. That is just the most naive thing anyone can say. Because how can you get rid of whatever is holding you back? And some people have quite, complicated or problematic issues that need to be dealt with in a professional way. Okay, so really, whatever you're going through right now, whether it's just, I just can't get my sales funnel to work, or whether it's, I've got massive imposter syndrome, whatever it is, just know that It's all part of the journey. And you've got two choices. You can either work through it and reach out to people that are helping you for assistance and for support, and really be honest with yourself and where you're going and what you want to achieve, and also what it's going to take to get there. Or you just sit back and go, do you know what, I tried, but I'm just going to go back into my comfort zone and carry on with a life that I don't really want this life, but it's safe and I know where I'm going. Okay. And when you start pushing through those challenges, and you start to gain a little bit of momentum, and you realize, hang on a minute, I had a challenge there and I overcame it, and now I'm working towards the next goal. Okay. And there's going to be challenges along the way pretty much all the time. You know, as an employee, in some jobs, you know, sometimes you can sit back and if there's a problem, you call the guy that deals with the problems. Okay, if there's a mess on the floor, you call the guy to come clean it up. You know, if you're an online business owner, you do everything. Okay, you do the washing up, you do the clearing up, you clean the walls, you know, you deal with the finances, you do everything. Okay, and that's just part and parcel of being an online business owner, or a business owner, or an entrepreneur, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't really matter. One of the things about being online right now is that there are a lot of resources that you can call on. There are a lot of people out there who will help you. And that's kind of what I do for my team, is that I spend, you know, probably 80–90% of my time helping my team, because I know I can see the bigger picture, you know, and I can see what's out there for people, and I know the challenges people are going through, and I know the process people are going through. That confliction, you know, shall I, shan't I? Am I good enough at this? Is this really what I should be doing? Or really should I just be going back to, you know, my old ways of thinking? So let me just wrap this video up. Let me just finish by saying this. There will always be challenges in life. There will always be challenges in business. Don't always listen to people who say it's easy to build an online business. Don't always listen to people who want you to part with your money because they're trying to sell you a dream. Listen to the people who say, yeah, you're going to go through challenges. You may struggle with certain things, but you know what, we're here to help. Okay, listen to that, because you know what is the reality? The reality is that you want to build a business, and we're going to go through the challenges together. Okay, so never get caught up on the dream of, you know, I can work an hour a day just by pressing a few what do you call it? A keypad, clicking your mouse and earning a living. You can do that, but you've got to go through the process. You've got to bridge that gap. And when you get there, you'll have the skills, you'll have the knowledge, you'll have the understanding, you'll have the belief system that you can go forward and do whatever you want. You know, developing an online business and having the skills is a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing to be able to create a campaign and put value together and help people and serve people and get paid for it. Okay, but it's just knowing how to get there. And what I will say is that if you want to, let me say that again, if you want to, you will get there. I guarantee it. I don't guarantee anything. I don't guarantee income claims. I don't guarantee anything, but I will guarantee if you want it, you will get there. We'll talk soon.